Welcome back to Drone Dominator. Let me ask you something. What if you could carry a drone that's small enough to fit in your bag, but powerful enough to capture shots that look like they came straight out of a Hollywood movie? Sounds impossible, right? Well, that's exactly what the DJI Mini 5 Pro is aiming to do. From the very first flight, you can tell this drone was built for creators. It's lightweight, easy to fly, and packed with smart features that make getting cinematic footage feel effortless. Whether you're filming a road trip, a vacation, or just your hometown from above, this drone delivers smooth, sharp, and professional-looking video. One thing I really like is how confident it feels in the air. Even if you're new to flying drones, the intelligent flight modes help you capture amazing shots without needing years of experience. Just launch it, choose a tracking mode, and let the drone do the hard work while you focus on the story you're telling. If you're enjoying this review, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Drone Dominator, and let me know in the comments which drone or camera you want me to review next. Now, here's the big question. Is the DJI Mini 5 Pro actually worth upgrading to? If you want a compact drone with premium image quality, smart safety features, and an easy flying experience, this one definitely deserves your attention. And trust me, we're just getting started. In the next video, I'll reveal one hidden feature of the DJI Mini 5 Pro that most people completely overlook. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.